guys, well here we go on another wood project. This had to look it up. It's called an armoire. We were putting some things in our storage, and somebody else had just left it sitting out there outside of storage. uh, it's seen better days, that's for sure. But I see it. I see potential here. So let's walk around and show you what we're dealing with. All right. First of all, we've got these really rusted, huge hinges. But that rust should come off just fine. There's little things like this everywhere where the joints are starting to come apart. Like right here, that's coming apart, and there. It's really bad there. Looks like it's missing a piece down at the bottom. The back looks better than the front. I guess being back up against the wall for many years, or however old this is. We've got staples there, so it's not, not super old. Something else. Watch this. Definitely not stable. Okay, I got my gloves on because I have not delved inside yet. So let's see what we got. The rusted hinge there. Some kind of plastic. I guess that's it's a shower curtain. Okay. A little damp. Close. Yes. Yeah. Yeah, close. Box. Got a bud drinker. Clothes hanger rod. So they did hang clothes up in here. We got a book called Record. Name there. Rubbed out phone number. Got a beer list. Interesting. Huh. Dig into that more. So yeah, pretty rough in here. By the way, I think this is pine. Not sure. Kind of a curved top, which is kind of neat. Old rusted magnetic door fasteners. Very sturdy. Actually kind of heavy. The drawers are in good shape. Bottom, you can see here, again, joints are all coming apart. Bush light. Wow. Looks like some kind of support maybe that goes right there. Okay. All right, very thin slats up here. So, what I plan to do is disassemble almost all of it so that I can fix things like those cracks, glue them back up, get them all nice and tight. I might actually run all the pieces through the planer or the jointer, make them nice and flat again. Of course, sand the bejesus out of it, and then put some kind of a cool finish. I don't know if I'll go dark or something light. We will see. But anyway, stick around. This is episode number 1. There'll be more. I'll catch you later.